Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. In Lean Six Sigma, DPO and DPMO are measures of defects and the quality output of your process. So when you look at the kind of ratios that you want to create, DPO basically means the defects per opportunity, and DPMO is defects per million opportunities, which basically means that if you do the calculations, a Six Sigma level of 3.4 defects per million opportunities basically means you're 99.99966 defect free, which means you're incredibly high quality. So as you're implementing your processes, if you can capture your defects, calculate your DPO and DPMO, you can determine whether you are truly at the Six Sigma level and that your quality is of such so that you're a world-class organization. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.